This is an Intel Nuc 5CP-YH, released in Q3 of 2015. It has a dual-core Intel Celeron which boosts up to 2.48 GHz with a TDP of 6 watts. The processor is based on the 14nm Braswell architecture. It has 4 USB ports in total, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, VGA and an SD card reader. For a computer like this, I think that it would be good for something like a small work computer or maybe even a Minecraft server, which I have tried to do, but due to Windows 10 not being responsive, I installed Linux on the Nuc. I don't know very much about Linux, and I'm going to need a lot longer than I expected to set up a Minecraft server on this computer. This is the power supply, which I've already put the UK adapter on, but the Nuc comes with adapters for different countries. To open the Nuc, I used a screwdriver and loosened these 4 screws. Then, after doing that, the hole underneath comes off like so. To detach the top of the Nuc, you need to take off the SATA cable and the power cable that go to the hard drive. When you get one, it doesn't come with any RAM or any storage. I got given this one and it has a 250GB hard drive and 4GB of DDR3 RAM. You can see the RAM module on the bottom and the wireless adapter on the top. I think the processor is on the other side of the board, but I'm not too sure how to see that. There's also not that much cooling, but I'm guessing that's on the other side where the processor is as well. There's a lot of ventilation, however. To put the top back on, you can just do the reverse of what you did before, and this is me booting into Ubuntu with the Intel Nuc. I was trying to get into the boot options, but I don't really know why it wouldn't let me. But anyway, it booted into Ubuntu without me choosing the options for some reason, but not really sure what happened. I don't have a HDMI cable, I only have DisplayPort and DVI, but I found a VGA to DisplayPort adapter, which I used here. And then I booted into Ubuntu. I was planning on making a Minecraft server in this video and seeing how well it ran, but that is going to take me a lot longer than I thought it would, as I said before. So this is going to be quite a short video, basically just unboxing it and launching it into Ubuntu. I might make a part 2 next week, it might take me longer, I'm not sure. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.